Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So, you guys were here yesterday. Good morning, each and every one of you. Remember, the very first thing you want to do is once you are joining, you are liking our live stream. That's the very first thing you are going to do. I don't want to say that two times again today, okay? The way you are joining, that's how you are liking the live stream. It's very, very important. So, if this is your first time, welcome. If you are from Instagram, you're from Twitter, you're from Telegram, welcome, welcome. Um, I'm the face behind Phoenix Creed. So, guys, I slept very late yesterday. I beg, let me tell you the truth. I slept very late yesterday. I slept by what time? I was looking at this trade. I slept by 2:30 to 3, and I'm awake. And I woke up by what? So I slept by 3:30, and I woke up by 6:40. So after this meeting, I'm flying back to my bed. I'm very tired. So well, for those that are asking why did I sleep by 3? I slept by 3 because I was looking at the trade. I wasn't closing out, right? So I was just looking at trade, okay? So man, I'm fucking exhausted, but it's fine. We have to do this live stream because I mean that's what I owe to you guys, everybody. So on GBP USD, right? Like I said, price was consolidating around this area. I took my first entry here, then price took us out, right? So why did price take us out? Because price was consolidating to just tap our moving averages. So as immediately price tapped our moving averages, then I already knew that okay, it was time for it to move. Then I called it out for my VIP, then we had this. So price got to our TP from our entry. Entry was around here to TP. That was like so cut around 100 pips on GBP USD. On gold, on XAU USD, I cut around 200 pips on XAU USD. So guys, you know what happened? I'll drop. I'm definitely going to drop. I'll drop my chart breakdown. Okay, I'll drop my chart breakdown on Instagram. That's like anytime I like every time, every Thursday, I used to drop my chart breakdown on Instagram. So if this is your first time, guys, let me write this down. The way I'm writing this down is very, very important. And guys, I'm going to do a giveaway on Instagram. I've not told anybody yet, right? But this you guys are the first people I'm telling. I'm going to do a giveaway on Instagram tomorrow. So let me write my Instagram handle. So that's my Instagram handle. I'll be doing a giveaway on Instagram tomorrow. Be there, be there. And that Instagram, I used to drop a whole lot of things there. So you guys always make sure once you follow the Instagram, also make sure you turn on your post notification. Okay. So all that being said, actually, let's still continue our daily talk. So like I said, right, for one, this area was basically, remember yesterday when we were analyzing, people were taking the buys from here, right? And I said, I mean, this is not a valid buys. Remember, this is not a valid buys. Do you understand my point? This area is not a valid buy. Where you should be looking out for to buy is a particular area where price has given you a nice retracement, especially on XAU USD. Do you understand my point? Especially on XAU USD. So I waited out for price did all this thing. Even when price was flying, people were like, "Oh my guy, price still came all the way down." Sorry, price came all the way down to 50%, respected 50%. Then took our trade from around here. Trade was taken from around here for the VIP. I called it out for the VIP from around there, and this was our target. I think our target was here. It was like 150 pips actually. Then our stop losses were like around here. Okay, so this was the two trades we caught yesterday. My bias on GBP USD for now. I'm sorry, on USD. Sorry, on XA USD. Sorry guys. I told you I'm very tired. So my bias on XA USD now is still bullish. Okay. Why I know you guys will be asking me why is your bias still bullish? But well, price is still, for one, price has started transitioning. So on that H4 time frame, if you look at on your H4 time frame, this particular area, remember what I told you guys about structure. Are you guys seeing it come to pass now? Remember what I told you guys about structure. As long as the major resistance or the major support that formed a particular structure is not yet broken, right? As long as the major support or major resistance that formed a particular structure is not yet broken, that structure is still very much intact. Do you guys understand that? I think I explained this yesterday. I want you to put it at the back of your mind. Put it at the back of your mind, okay? One thing I used to tell you guys is the main purpose of me doing this live session is for you to learn. Do you get? It's for you to learn. I mean, I'm not asking for monies for free. Just come, we analyze together, we trade together. The way we are trading, the way we are analyzing, you are also learning from there. The way I'm also analyzing with you guys, I'm having joy that okay, I am impacting people. Do you understand? And I'm also learning because the more you teach, the more you learn. Do you understand? So I want each and every one of you here to be very, very extremely attentive whenever we analyze it. Because all the trades I took yesterday, the whole wins I took yesterday, I analyzed everything here. Am I right or wrong? Am I lying? We analyzed everything, even the USD JPY sell that happened yesterday. We also analyzed it. We also called that the perfect entry. I think some people took the entry, but me, I don't used to trade. I don't like trading multiple pairs. So I was already on GBP USD and XAU, so I just left USD JPY. Do you understand? So the main purpose of you being here is to learn, and I want you guys to take it very, very serious. Take this morning live session make it a habit that every morning from Monday to Friday, even though rain is falling, even though sun is shining, even though my head is paining me, I have to be in this live stream. It's a must. Make it a ritual. Make it a morning routine. This if you can be able to just like for example what we're telling the students yesterday, right? I said, or sorry, Trayon said, your journey in Forex or is also a reflection of you as a person. Do you understand? Your journey in trading is a reflection of you as a person. So now if you are a disciplined person, do you understand my point? If you are a disciplined person, you find yourself always being here. But if you are someone that I'm a bro, I beg 7 a.m. guy, I beg me finish just dey make I crash small. Look at me. When did I slept by 3:30 and I'm here. I woke up by 6 something to prepare for the whole live stream and everything. And I'm here. Look at my eyes, it's still extremely red. It can't even open very well. I have to be here. So if I have to be here, talk more of you. Why won't you be here? Why? What are you doing? What's so serious that you're doing that you will be here this morning? So make it a ritual every single morning to come and join this live stream. Is very, very important for me and for you. Do you understand? So let's continue. On our 4 hours time frame, right? We can see that price has given us what? Price has given us a break. I'm sorry, price has maintained this particular area, right? That's one. And also price has given us a counter trend line. Sorry, a counter trend or a counter move, which is around here. Can you guys see that counter move? So this counter move is basically on a H4 time frame. Are you guys understanding that? This counter move is basically on the H4 time frame. And remember what I told you guys. I said the more higher lows you see in the market, or the more support you see in the market, right? The more momentum or the more push that market is going to give you. Do you understand? In a bearish market also, the more lower highs you see in the market, the more bearish push that market is going to give you. Let it key into your head. So on this time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, we are seeing a higher low here. Now let's go to the breakdown time frame and understand how can we take advantage of that. So on that M30, right? On our M30 time frame, remember we marked out this area, price, broke above that area, and we are seeing kind of like, you know, kind of like, not. I wouldn't really call this. Wait, let me make sure this is what it actually is. Okay, it is what it actually is. It's a higher high. So this is a higher high, right? So price has given us a higher low, and this is kind of like a higher high around here. Do you understand? So what are we to do next? We modify point A to point B, right? Point A to point B. So price is currently at, wait, sorry guys, let me do something. Okay, point A to point B. So price is currently, sitting. Price first of all retraced 23.6. There was a 23.6 retracement, came all the way to 38.2, but gave us a double week rejection around that 38.2, which made it a valid PRZ. So but for me though, I'm still looking out to see more retracement on this pair. Actually, I'm still looking out to see price to get to this point before I can take my trade. That's for one. I'm looking out to see price get to that point before I can take my trade. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Let's see what is actually happening on that 5 minutes. But wait, before what's happening on that 5 minutes, and give me a minute. So remember, whenever you're trading, right, you always want to mark off things like this, areas like this, because they basically serve as confluence area. You see that these two things are different, right? So you always want to mark off areas like this because you want to know how price will react towards that point whenever price gets to that point. So as you can see, this is a higher low. This is a higher low, right? HL and sorry, HL, and this is a higher high that has been formed here, right? Perfect, very fine, no stress. But what are we looking out for? We need to see a valid, a valid transition actually. So for me though, I'll be looking out to see price get to this blue zone. Okay, I want to see price get to this blue zone before I take any further trade on this pair. And this blue zone is going to be giving like more of like a double bottom kind of vibe. Do you understand? So a double bottom pattern, that's basically what I'll be looking out for this area as a transitioning phase. Okay. Um, M5, looking at our M5, price is still trading below our moving averages, right? Price is below our moving average to show you that what the momentum on that M5 is bearish. Do you understand? The momentum of the on the M5 is bearish. So, and remember, I really don't want to take a trade when price is still when the momentum of price is still what going against me. My directional bias on this market is bullish. So why would I be taking a trade when the momentum is bearish? That's me being stupid. Do you understand? So I would like to wait out to see how price reacts towards this area. So this is our target, right? Our target is still above here. This is our target above here, right? But now the question is not the target. We already have the target. The question is how can we catch that entry? That's the question. Okay. How can we catch that entry? That is the question right here. So we'll be waiting on our hands. Remember, sitting on our hands. Everybody say sitting on our hands. That is the most important thing to do as a trader. Sitting on your hands. In Yoruba, they will say, please, how they used to say, I don't know. Man, my Yoruba has not advanced to that level. Make una no vex. But remember, I'm a Yoruba boy. My name is Adebayo. So in Yoruba, I don't know how to say it, but in Igbo, they will say, has my Igbo even advanced to that level? Um, well, I don't know. My Igbo has not advanced to that level too, but my English has advanced to that level. So my English, sit on your hands. Very good. So as a trader, that's the most important thing. That's the most important. Yes, I'm a Yoruba boy. My name is Adebayo. I've said this so many times. So it says where you belong. I belong everywhere. So the most important thing to do as a forex trader is to sit on your hands, guys. Trust me, that's the most. You guys, I don't know, like, one mantra I have, or one thing that I have in life, is to say, um lead by example. Do you understand? Just follow the way I trade. I basically don't trade every day. I used to tell you guys, oh no, this is when I trade, or this is when I don't trade. I mean, basically throughout last week I didn't trade. This week I took a trade only on, I think, on Monday. That time gold did that nonsense on Monday, and I didn't take any trade again till what? Till Wednesday. And I've made up all my money back. But imagine I've been trading since that time that price has been doing, like, price has been doing all those things. You don't know I would have lost my capital. Don't you know? Not just, it's not even about losing capital now, it's about messing up your mindset, messing up your mental stability. Because once your mental once you're not mentally stable again in the market, once you've lost that flow, account otilo, your account is gone. Once you lose that flow, that mental flow in the market, like that confidence in the market, once you lose it, maybe price has hit your stop loss so many times. Once you lose that, bruh, trust me, you are going to lose your account. So that is the number. They'll only tell you, mentors will only tell you to protect only your capital. No, don't. You are not preserving and protecting only your capital. You are also preserving and protecting your what? Your confidence, your mindset. Because once it shifts, once you start becoming skeptical about some things, maybe you take a trade now, your mind needs to come carry am. You cannot hold trades for long again because you feel like it's going to hit your stop loss. Once you start feeling that way, that's what we call self-sabotage. It's gone. Your account is already gone. So immediately you start feeling that way, it's best you just leave the market. Do you understand? Leave the market. Because if you keep on staying in the market and you are trading with that kind of mindset, it's either you leave the market or you go back to demo. Go back to demo, build back your confidence, because demo, now you are losing money, it's not affecting you. But what you just want to do is you want to see that there's what assurance. You want assurance that this strategy is really working, because there are times the market will do you something, you start doubting that even though if you are a professional trader, you start doubting that your skill, like, you should say this thing why they should say sabi trade. It has happened to me so many times. Do you understand? So as a trader, you want to sit on your hands, not just to preserve your capital, but also to preserve your mental health. You don't want to fuck up your mental health because immediately you fuck it up, your account is gone. Do you understand? So that is that on um gold. Let's go to GU. So GU, okay, GU, we're at our daily time frame TP, which is negative 27%. You guys can see that, right? Remember, price got to 38.2, so from 38.2 to negative 27%. You guys can see how I used to trade. No stress, no cho, straight to the point, Fibonacci, clean, sweet, and nice. So I told you guys we started analyzing this pair from here. I said anticipating a shift on this time frame. We saw the shift, and I told you guys this is my target. Price has gotten to my target now. So what we have to do is to wait. So GBP now, I'm not even going to be on GBP for now. I'm just going to chill out. I'm just going to chill out and see how it plays out. Okay. So if price on a lower time frame keeps on giving us multiple higher lows around this zone, then we know that there is momentum for price to break above this zone and come to our TP2. But as long as this area is still kind of rangy, I'm not interested. Okay, so let's just I think we've milked GBP USD enough. So as a trader, you need to just take trades in a week, highest in a week once. It's not every day. Anybody that will tell you that it's every day that you need to come to the market and trade is a lie. Do you understand? It's a lie. That person is lying to you. As a trader, once, twice a week. In fact, two trades a week safe will just make your week stew. So if you have that mindset that this week is only I'm just looking for two winning setups or two trades, you see that you not pressure yourself. Once you tell yourself that, man, like I'm not even stressed, I don't want to, it's just two trades I want to take this week. You will not pressure yourself because me, like I told you, once I enter a new week or even a new day, I don't have any expectation from the market. I don't expect to take any trade. I don't expect to make profit. My mind is just my mind is just neutral. You understand? When I mean my mind is just neutral, I mean I take trade today, I don't take trade today, no concern me. Let me just go and see what's happening in the market. That's my mindset. Even this week, when I was entering this week, I did not know. I'm not that person that'll tell you, guys, this week we are going to park funds. If funds no come dey to park, wetin you wan park? SL? I don't understand. So I'm not expecting anything from the market. I'll not tell you this week this week we are like once you start saying this week we are going to park funds, then you know that now at that point you've put yourself in a state of I have to trade this week because that funds has to be parked this week. Do you understand? You've already like your mind has already registered. That's already registered at the back of your mind that this week where I thought say we go park funds, we must park funds. So even though where you are seeing setup or where you are not seeing setup, you are there. Do you understand? So remember, as a trader, if you are not packing funds, you are packing what? SL. You are packing losses, and you will cry big cry. Do you understand? Learn to sit on your hands. Very, very important. So USD JPY, we analyzed USD JPY yesterday, and I gave you guys two entry points, right? So price respected our second entry point. This was our first and our second. Who took this trade? Did you guys take this trade from USD JPY? Did you guys take this trade? Did you guys take this trade? Someone said I was waiting for a double top and it left me. Well, I mean, it happens. So price has gotten to our this was our point of interest, right? This particular zone was our POI. You guys were here yesterday. I analyzed this thing. I did not go behind anybody to analyze it. This is we were here, everybody together. We analyzed it. You guys saw how I anticipated the whole move, and it's happening. So TP1, I said TP1 is around this area, negative 27%, and TP2 is around this area. Remember, this is still our main projection. Our main projection is still what? Below this point, okay? But TP1 here, TP2 here. So if you are still on USD JPY now, look for more of lower highs to take your trade, okay? Look for more lower highs to take your trade, because on a bearish market, your entry base point is always that point. That's your lower high point. That's where you want to start catching trades from. Do you guys understand? So I think that is that on USD JPY. USDC, let's do USD CHF. So USD CHF is approaching our target, right? USD CHF is approaching our target. I mean, I really just like this pair because it's not, I don't know, it's not no spike here and there. Everything is just moving serioususly. Seriously. Is that how they say it? Yeah, that's how they say it. Everything is just moving calmly, smoothly. So these are our targets. We analyzed this one on Sunday. This has been our Sunday move from point A here to point B. Price is moving towards our target, right? So moving averages are still pointing very down or very slow, showing that the momentum at this point is still extremely bearish, and it is favoring your buyers. You always want to see the momentum favoring your buyers. That is the number one thing. You always want to see that momentum favoring your buyers or that particular place you are aiming for. Do you understand? So price is coming to our target, which is fine. So, bruh, I think gold. Let's check on gold. 5 minutes. Okay. Gold 5 minutes is this is counter move actually, guys. This is a counter move I'm seeing here. Could it be? Could it not be? Let me go to a lower time frame. Could it be? Could it not be? That's the question, guys. Could it be? Could it not be? This basically was like 1 hour time frame. Point A to point B. Okay. I mean, daily. You even know what's the problem? Like, let me even make this easier because, bruh, let me make guys give me a minute. Let me make this thing easier. This is point A, right? Then this is point B here. So let's readjust this. So let's readjust that. So price is sitting on our daily time frame. Price is sitting on what? Price is sitting on negative. Sorry, price is sitting on 78.6. H1. Point A to point B. I mean, let's remove this. Point A to point B. Yes, this was actually it. This was our first TP, right? But I mean, okay, guys, give me a minute. I'm trying to validate my. I'm trying to validate this. I was on the wrong time frame actually, guys. That time frame where we analyzed that pair was on the wrong time frame, and you don't want to be when you're doing time frame correlation. You don't want to analyze on the wrong time frame because you will cry. Price will show you shaking. So that was the wrong time frame that we analyzed on. So basically on gold, right? This is like a kind of reanalysis. Point A to this is like a higher low. Well, we wouldn't really call this a higher low yet. Well, it's not a higher low yet because price has not given us a high, another higher high. Okay, so this is just a high for now. I'm not taking any trade from there. That is, yeah. So immediately I saw that I saw that there was something wrong. I needed to reanalyze to understand within the saw for it. So higher low. I'm sorry, highs. This is still kind of like price is still no break up, no break yet. Price is just still, but on a lower time frame, we can still take advantage of that point on a lower time frame. This confusing. Okay, now I see. So on our lower time frame, this is still our target. Our target is still here, right? So price hasn't gotten to that target. So we can still finesse this whole move, right? Um, higher lows, right? Yes, higher lows. Will I call this a higher low? No, this is not higher low actually. So this year is a higher low because yes, price broke around here, gave us a higher high. Then we saw a retracement. So we could do point A from here to point B from here to here, right? So price got all the way to 61.8, still didn't get to our negative 27%, and we are seeing a drop. Well, still not bad. Still not bad based on the fact that our aim is still here and price hasn't gotten to that TP where we are looking out for. That TP is around 3345. Price hasn't gotten to that point. So there's still tendency of we being on that lower time frame to catch that the flow of things. Do you understand? So this is kind of like a lower time frame analysis. So higher lows here, just highs, and moving averages are still price are still trading above your moving averages. So let's see how it goes, my guys. Let me try and validate this. Okay, valid. Good, is valid. So that support area I marked out is valid. So price respected that point one, and let's see how it's going to react there. Here, then probably we can take our trade from here. So yes, this is the correct analysis. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, Phoenix no be God. Well, this is let's wait out for XAUSD. My eyes are watching XAUSD. Possibilities are we might still take another trade today. So no hopes. Don't keep your hopes high. Let me not tell you keep your hopes high. Don't expect anything. I feel if this life should make I go sleep and price will just pass us because I'm very, very tired. So I think that is all for now. That is all for now. That will be all for now. Let me send these things to you guys in the community so you people would see. That will be all for now. Guys, I said I'm doing a giveaway on YouTube. I'm sorry, on Instagram, right? So make sure you are there. I've not said this thing to any, I've not posted it on any platform, but I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. Okay. If you are not following me on Instagram, go and follow me right now at Onyeka. Okay, go and follow me right now. And trust me, you stand a chance to win that giveaway. So go and follow me right now on Instagram. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. I've not told anybody. I'm this. You guys are the first people I'm telling. So go and just turn on post notification. Turn on post notification and follow me. Turn on post notification and follow me. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. So well, this gold, this gold is whining me. I'm not even going to trade it. I'm just going to observe and no stress, no too much push. So guys, I think that will be all. That will be all for now. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. If this is your first time, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe. If this is your first time, I'm repeating it, make sure you subscribe. Okay? Can you guys hear me? Is this worth taking? Doesn't not even worth the stress. Control. GBP USD. We didn't analyze that. USDCH. Good. We didn't analyze this. So, I think that's all. So that's all. So guys, that will be all for today. Okay. If this is your first time joining our live stream, make sure you subscribe. Okay, subscribe, turn on post notification. We used to do this every morning. I don't know how to beg you guys to always join this live stream. It will really help you. It will really help you. That thing that you're even going to pay your mentor self. I might even be saying it here for free. Who knows? So make sure you join this live stream every morning. The main purpose of this live stream is just to prep each and every one of us mind. The way I'm prepping my mind, that's how I'm prepping you people's mind too. We are learning together, we're analyzing together, taking trades together, taking losses together. Because there's this comfort that comes when you are taking a loss and you know that nobody only you did this loss. Have you ever had that? I don't know if it's a bad feeling, but I used to have that feeling sometimes. Like whenever me and my guys take trade, I'll be like, come on, thank God don't let me chest this trade. All of us chest them. And it will help you process, it will help you process that loss very, very fast. Do you understand? So we are taking trades. This is just kind of like a community, like a support system for each and every one of you. We take trade together, take losses together, we learn together also, okay? Because I'm very sure that there are some new things you guys learned from this live stream. Each and every day you guys used to learn like new things from this live stream. Okay, even if it's not technical, I mean psychological wise too, you also learn things. So I would hope to see you guys tomorrow by this time, 7 a.m. also every morning, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. depending on when we finish. But we start by 7 a.m. sharp. I don't need to start telling you guys I'm live, I'm this one. I just need you guys to just join and be waiting. Join and wait. I'll definitely come. Once it's 7 a.m., I am here. Do you understand? Make sure you like and subscribe to all our YouTube, all our social media platform, okay? Because I'll be doing giveaways across all our social media for you. For Wire to touch you, you have to be very, very active. Do you understand? You have to be an active participant of the Phoenix Grid community. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow and peace out, everybody. Before I go, did you guys like this live stream or not? If you guys love this live stream, I want you to go and type active. We have 35 people here. I need to see 35 people text active, 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 active. Before I leave, that is our daily routine. Before I leave, if you enjoyed this live stream, you love it, you like what we are doing here, and you know you feel it, right? So go and type active, go to the comment section and type active, active, active. It's very, very important, very, very important. I want each and every one of you to go to the comment section and type active, 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 active. Okay. Someone said USD is slow. USD is slow. Yes, very, very slow, extremely slow. So, bless each and every one of you. Peace out, my guys. Big love. I'll see y'all tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys.